All right, so in this video we're looking at mouse input again for practice activities in code.org, and this one happens to be emoji reactions, kind of a cool activity where the emoji is going to change based on whether the mouse is pressed down or not. So it says add code so that when the user presses down the mouse, the emoji changes to a new face. Otherwise, the emoji returns to a smiling emoji. Okay, so if we look over here to world real quick, let's move this up here a second. We've got a couple different options. We have mouse down, key went down, key went up. So these are keyboard kind of things. And then we have the mouse down. So the mouse button is pressed down. So in this case, we're going to actually use over here in control, we have if statements, and potentially, we think that we could use two ifs, right? One for one emoji, one for the other, but we really don't have a tool to use if the mouse key is pressed up. So in this case, we're going to use an if else. All right, so that the if else will kind of cover both of these instances. In one, we're going to just kind of set the smile emoji right here, and that's going to be in our else. So that's going to always be that, right? So if we go here to sprite and we're going to go ahead and set the animation, we're going to put that in else, and we'll go ahead and do emoji, and we'll set that to the smile emoji, the same one that's up here. So basically what happens in our code is the else, so long as nothing's occurring, this will always be the emoji that's going to be displayed as the smile emoji. Now on the opposite side of that, what we then want to do for the if is we want to put a condition in here that's going to change that to the other emoji that has like the sunglasses. Okay, so we're going to drag this over here and we're going to go ahead and do mouse down and put that in the if, and it's automatically determined left button, which is perfect. That's what we want. And then what we're going to do is drag out this and we're going to change the animation. So again, this is going to be emoji, and we got glasses emoji, we have hearts emoji, do glasses, changes to a new face. So it could be any of these. We'll do glasses emoji, which is what they have there. Let's just see what that looks like. So right now it's doing nothing, which means it's in this else right here. So it's just doing the smiling. If I hold down the mouse key, it changes, or hit the left mouse button, and it changes to the sunglasses. And we could change this to whatever one we want. We could try crying emoji, and now he's crying. We could do hearts. Now he's got the hearts. So we can kind of change that, but this is basically how you set this up. Is you're going to need an if else. You have to have the mouse down, and then the two different animations that you're going to have. And again, the else will always run until this condition is met. This is incredibly important. You got to have this in here in order for that to work. All right. Hopefully that helps you, and good luck in your coding.